guys, I'm Leslie. Welcome to today's video. Okay, so today the video is going to be a little bit different than what I normally do here on my channel, but we're having a huge debate here at our house, and so we're going to solve this mystery. So my husband, hands down, thinks that Coke at McDonald's is the absolute best, and I love the Diet Dr. Pepper there. But I actually think there's a place that has it just as delicious. And so in some parts of the country, you guys might not have a Quiktrip, but we have Quiktrip here. And man, is their Diet Dr. Pepper so good. So I'm gonna prove to my husband today that Quiktrip's Diet Dr. Pepper and Coke is better than McDonald's. We'll see. So we're gonna do a secret blind taste test and see which one we think is the best, and then reveal which one it really is to see if he's really right. So if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go taste this. Okay, I just told everyone that you hands down think that McDonald's Coke is the best and that there's no way that Quiktrip's gonna beat it. Tell us why.
Because McDonald's Coke is just better. And I feel like McDonald's economic diversification throughout the globe has focused centrically on making sure that their colas are perfectly mixed in their cola machines, and Quiktrip is just a demographically smaller organization who probably hasn't focused as much on mixology. Therefore, it is my humble opinion that the cola that I'm going to receive from McDonald's will be superior in quality to the cola that Quiktrip is going to deliver. But I'm willing and able to give you my honest, forthright, and unbiased opinion by sampling both today.
Okay, so I have Jason all blindfolded and he has no idea which one is going first. And let's see what he thinks. All right, don't touch anything. Hold on. Okay, like that one? And look. Are you peeking?
No.
Okay.
That's McDonald's.
Okay. Did you like number one or number two the better?
Number two.
I tried to trick him and even slushed the straw. That was McDonald's. Okay, let's test me. Let's see what I think.
I can taste the difference right away.
Could you really?
Yep.
Ah! Okay. That's annoying. Like, how do you taste the difference? Oh boy, bring on the Quiktrip Diet Dr. Pepper. Okay.
All right, are you ready?
I'm ready. I like it. Hold on. That was delicious, whatever that was. Oh boy.
Okay.
Okay.
Be blindfold?
I liked number two better.
Number two better?
Uh-huh. Seriously?
Yeah.
What? See, I told you I love Quiktrip Diet Dr. Pepper.
Try the Coke.
Ugh. You think that's even fair?
Yeah.
All right, let me try. I'm just gonna okay.
Okay.
I hate Coke though, but okay. I really did like that one better.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. That's weird. All right, so here's the deal. McDonald's Coke is better, but Quiktrip's Diet Dr. Pepper is better. Agree? Not agree?
I don't know, I didn't try the Dr. Pepper.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, all right.
Vile weed. I like McDonald's better.
Do you really? Mm-hmm. That's so weird. Okay.
Theirs is more carbonated.
All right, well, if any of you else out there have tried this kind of little, I don't know, what do you call this? experiment. Let us know in the comment section down below what you guys like best, and
don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that ring-a-ding-ding bell.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.